Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about Honda Gold Wing Tour features. The Honda Gold Wing Tour is often considered the epitome of touring motorcycles, and for good reason. Known for its unmatched comfort, technology, and performance, the Gold Wing has been a favorite among motorcycle enthusiasts for decades. Whether you're new to long-distance touring or a seasoned rider, the Honda Gold Wing Tour promises a riding experience unlike any other. With its powerful engine, luxurious features, and cutting-edge technology, the Gold Wing Tour offers a ride that is both exhilarating and comfortable, making it the perfect companion for your next adventure. The first thing that strikes you when you see the Honda Gold Wing Tour is its bold and sleek design. The aerodynamic lines, the gleaming chrome accents, and the modern styling all contribute to a bike that looks as good as it performs. Every detail of the Gold Wing Tour has been carefully designed to enhance not only its visual appeal but also its performance on the road. From the innovative front fairing that reduces wind resistance to the sculpted bodywork that enhances stability, the design is both functional and stunning. At the heart of the Gold Wing Tour is its 1,833cc six-cylinder engine, one of the largest and most powerful engines available in a touring motorcycle. This engine is the driving force behind the smooth, effortless ride that the Gold Wing is known for. The engine produces ample power, whether you're accelerating on the highway or climbing a steep incline, ensuring that you have the power to tackle any road. Paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, the engine delivers a seamless, smooth shifting experience that is almost effortless, making long-distance rides more enjoyable than ever. The Gold Wing Tour is also equipped with advanced suspension technology that contributes to its exceptional ride quality. With its electronically adjustable suspension system, the bike can adapt to different road conditions and riding styles. Whether you're riding on smooth highways, winding mountain roads, or rough terrain, the suspension adjusts to provide the most comfortable ride possible. The Gold Wing Tour's stability and handling are impressive, providing a confidence-inspiring ride in nearly any condition, whether you're riding solo or with a passenger. The seat on the Gold Wing Tour is designed with comfort in mind. For long-distance touring, comfort is paramount, and the Gold Wing's plush, spacious seat delivers. Both the rider's and the passenger's seats are ergonomically designed, providing ample support and cushioning to reduce fatigue on long rides. The seat is also heated, which is a welcome feature for those colder days on the road. For added convenience, the seat height is adjustable, allowing riders of different sizes to find the perfect position. With all these features, you can rest assured that both rider and passenger will enjoy the journey as much as the destination. One of the most impressive features of the Gold Wing Tour is its advanced technology. The bike is equipped with a high-resolution, easy-to-read 7-inch touchscreen display that controls many of the bike's functions. This infotainment system includes navigation, music, phone connectivity, and more, all accessible at the touch of a button. The Gold Wing Tour is compatible with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to seamlessly connect your smartphone to the bike for hands-free calls, messages, and access to your favorite apps. Whether you're navigating through unfamiliar territory or just enjoying your favorite playlist, the infotainment system ensures that everything you need is right at your fingertips. The bike also comes with a premium sound system, offering crystal-clear audio even at highway speeds. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can pair your phone or other devices to the system, allowing you to enjoy music or take phone calls without ever having to take your hands off the handlebars. The sound system is perfectly integrated into the bike, providing a rich audio experience that doesn't distract from the ride but enhances it. For riders concerned about safety, the Honda Gold Wing Tour offers a range of advanced safety features. The bike is equipped with an anti-lock braking system, ABS, which helps maintain control during emergency braking situations, preventing the wheels from locking up. Additionally, the Gold Wing Tour features a traction control system, which adjusts engine power to prevent wheel spin on slippery or uneven surfaces. The bike also offers an optional airbag system that provides an extra layer of protection in the event of a collision. These safety features are designed to give riders peace of mind, knowing that the Gold Wing Tour has been engineered with their safety in mind. Another standout feature of the Gold Wing Tour is its impressive fuel efficiency. Despite its large engine, the Gold Wing Tour is designed to be fuel efficient, making it ideal for long-distance touring. The bike's fuel tank is large enough to allow for long stretches of riding without the need to stop for fuel, which is especially important on long trips. The Gold Wing Tour's fuel efficiency ensures that you can focus on the ride and the adventure without worrying about constantly needing to refuel. For those who love to travel, the Gold Wing Tour offers a wealth of storage options. The bike comes equipped with spacious saddlebags and a top case, offering plenty of room for all your gear and belongings. Whether you're taking a weekend getaway or embarking on an extended cross-country journey, the Gold Wing Tour has the storage capacity to carry everything you need. The saddlebags are easy to access, and the top case provides additional space for larger items. With these ample storage options, you'll never have to leave anything behind on your next adventure. The Gold Wing Tour also excels when it comes to ride customization. Every rider is different, and the Gold Wing Tour allows you to adjust the bike to suit your specific preferences. The bike offers adjustable handlebars and footpegs, allowing you to find the perfect riding position. The seat can also be adjusted to suit different rider heights, ensuring that you always feel comfortable and in control. These customizable features make the Gold Wing Tour an ideal choice for riders of all sizes and experience levels, as the bike can be fine-tuned to suit your individual needs. In addition to the above features, the Honda Gold Wing Tour also boasts a range of luxury touches that elevate the overall riding experience. The bike is equipped with a high-quality leather seat, providing a luxurious feel that complements its sleek design. The attention to detail is evident in every aspect of the Gold Wing Tour, from the elegant chrome accents to the precision engineering of the engine. When you ride a Gold Wing, you're not just riding a motorcycle, you're experiencing the best in luxury touring. Honda's commitment to quality is reflected in the Gold Wing Tour's durability. The bike is built to last, with a robust frame and high-quality components that ensure longevity and reliability. The engine is designed to handle the demands of long-distance touring, providing years of dependable performance. With regular maintenance, the Gold Wing Tour will continue to provide an exceptional riding experience for many years to come. The Gold Wing Tour is also equipped with a range of features designed to enhance rider comfort on long rides. The bike's cruise control system allows you to maintain a consistent speed on highways, reducing fatigue and allowing you to relax and enjoy the ride. For cold weather riding, the Gold Wing Tour offers heated grips and a heated seat, ensuring that you stay warm and comfortable no matter the weather. The bike also features a large, adjustable windscreen that helps reduce wind noise and turbulence, making long rides more pleasant. Honda has also ensured that the Gold Wing Tour is a joy to handle, whether you're cruising on highways or navigating tight corners. The bike's low center of gravity and advanced suspension system make it incredibly stable, even at higher speeds. The bike is easy to maneuver, with precise steering and a smooth, responsive feel that makes every turn a breeze. Whether you're riding solo or with a passenger, the Gold Wing Tour's handling is always confident and smooth. For those who enjoy touring with a passenger, the Gold Wing Tour excels in providing comfort for both riders. The passenger seat is spacious and plush, offering plenty of legroom and a high degree of comfort for long journeys. The passenger also benefits from the bike's advanced suspension system, which ensures that both rider and passenger enjoy a smooth, stable ride. The Gold Wing Tour's design takes into account the needs of both riders, ensuring that both parties can enjoy the journey equally. Honda's dedication to customer satisfaction is evident in the support and services offered with the Gold Wing Tour. The bike comes with a comprehensive warranty and a network of authorized service centers that can help with maintenance and repairs. With Honda's reputation for reliability and service, you can rest assured that your Gold Wing Tour will remain in excellent condition throughout your ownership. For riders who want to make the most of every moment on the road, the Honda Gold Wing Tour is the ideal motorcycle. With its blend of power, comfort, and technology, the Gold Wing Tour is the perfect companion for any adventure. Whether you're navigating through the city, cruising along scenic highways, or tackling challenging mountain roads, the Gold Wing Tour ensures that every ride is as enjoyable as the last. Experience the pinnacle of touring motorcycles with the Honda Gold Wing Tour, and discover a new world of possibilities on the open road. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.